Hello, in this video I want to show you how to enable or disable resize bar support on Asus ROG STRIX motherboard. To do this, first you will need to open Advanced BIOS settings. Now navigate to Advanced again, and here you should be able to find PCI subsystem settings, and inside make sure that both 4G decoding is enabled. Then there's resize bar support that you should be able to enable or disable. If it's grayed out like this, as I have right here, then you'll need to go to the boot, here select CSM support and disable it. Now we can go back to advanced and PCI subsystem settings, and resize bar should be unlocked. Now we can enable or disable it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.